guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today I would like to talk about what do you want to learn. What do you want to learn in Adobe Photoshop CC? What do you want to learn in Adobe Illustrator CC, in Adobe Photoshop Lightroom, in Adobe Dimension CC? What do you want to learn in Adobe mobile applications such as Adobe Photoshop Sketch, Adobe Illustrator Draw, Adobe Lightroom Mobile? What do you want to learn in photography, in photo restoration, in photo retouching, in photo compositing? What do you want to learn in digital painting? Just ask, guys. I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. I will be more than happy to record any tutorial for you. So guys, just comment below and I will be happy to help. So guys, thank you very much for being with me and I will see you later. Bye.